Weather Authority local forecast.
All right, we hope you're doing well on this Monday evening. Let's take a look at what's going on with your RV World Yuma Sky Cam. And as you can see, a pretty calm and pristine night here in the desert Southwest, considering we've had ourselves a pretty hot day. Now, beyond this, well, we're looking at a pretty interesting scenario with the fire and smoke as far as the wildfires are concerned in California. We're going to rewind that, hopefully, and kind of give you a glimpse of that a little bit. And again, that's kind of trickled a little bit as far as the haze is concerned. Again, just minutely. You can't see it with the naked eye outside, but we've had a little bit of activity in the Baja Peninsula, again, Northern California as well. Now, here's what we're looking at temperature-wise at this time. We're ranging it from some cases high in 70s, even into the low in 90s. So we got ourselves quite the spectrum in the Imperial Valley. Over on the Yuma side of things, we're pretty much in the 80s. So we're talking middle 80s for the most part. So we're in for a nice comfortable night as we get on into your Tuesday. Now here's what we're looking at to reflect on Monday, and we don't do this too often, but it's worth noting that we were at a near record high today in Yuma, just 3 degrees off. But over in El Centro, we actually beat the record today. We got it by just a degree, but keep in mind we should be in the low 90s, so our temperatures have flat out been astronomical as far as the daytime highs are concerned. It's because of this guy right here. This ridge of high pressure is going to continue to just hang around, at least for the next few days, before eventually it gets pushed off. But until then, we are going to keep that high heat going. And then we're going to see some noticeable difference, or feel a noticeable difference as far as the daytime's concerned, even into the evening as well. 76 degrees by 8 a.m. We should be well into the triple digits again as we get on into the mid-afternoon, and then we'll settle right back into the 90s yet again. So as far as your Yuma International Airport extended forecast is concerned, we're going to keep the heat through Thursday. If you consider 100 plus degrees heat like yours truly does, then we get down into the double digits. I mean, we don't hang out in the 90s long before we get into the 80s, and then we go back to the 90s again. But the fact that we're seeing a bunch of double digits is a cause for celebration, considering what we've been through in the last few months, to say the least.